Hi Atbaka, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Renile Karawakomani, but you can call me Renee. Yes guys, this is like literally my first video of the year, like 2025. Anywho guys, Happy New Year. I'm wishing you guys all the best for this year, wishing myself all the best this year, hoping to grow this year, hoping for just the grace of God, like everything great and good for this year. I have flu, so hopefully you guys can hear me because my mic doesn't work anymore. Well, I actually got a new mic, but not a mic when it's around. Let me check something. Now to until like a flu every flu again and again and again and again and again and again. And I can't guys. If you know me, you know but I can't pills. I get to look who do you know pills. I don't know how to drink pill. I chew them guys. Wait. Let me see something. See, another thing is, I think, yeah, so this is what I'm supposed to do. Then plug it in my phone, and my phone doesn't have a pin. So that's what's up. So hopefully you guys can hear me, because I can trust the mic anymore. The first time I used it, it was mute. The second time it was like cracking, like neck crack. So I can't use it anymore, and I got a new mic, but phone it doesn't have a pin. This thing doesn't have it. Even on my old phone, I don't have a pin. Yeah. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we're now on 165 subscribers, ne? Yeah, we grew a little bit in Jan. Like I had 15 new subscribers, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing. And I don't know if it's safe for me to do the road to 200 subscribers. I don't want to say road to 200 subscribers and it takes another year to get even 10 subscribers. I do not trust. Like, I got 100 subscribers last year, April. So from last year April till now, only got 65 subscribers. So it's not safe to say road to 200. But let's test it, nigga, and see if we'll get to 200 subscribers. Let me challenge myself, but I can challenge myself if people don't want to subscribe to my channel. Yeah. And I think guys, you also realize that I didn't use my intro video. I'm trying to work on a new intro video, because I've been using the same one since I started my channel, which was 2023 December or January. When did I start this? Oh yeah, it was December 2023 December. I actually started on the 12th, or posted like the 12th. I can't believe I started on the 12th. 12, yeah. I don't remember if I started on the 12th of December or I posted my first video on the 12th. I'm not sure. 11th, 12th, like where 12th, I don't know. Yeah. Anywho, yeah, so I was saying I'm gonna change my intro video. I'm working on it. I'm not promising to have it soon, because I still want to do like a few stuff, and I don't have like proper pictures, like nice pictures that I can use. I haven't taken pictures in the longest time, or I do take pictures, but I don't get the best pictures. Like your picture guys, serious, but yo, I don't understand, but they're not taking us or me proper pictures. So there's no pictures still on what I would say I want to use for my intro at this moment and time. So I need to, guys, video and you know, while I was still busy yapping, I mentioned hore I might be talking alone. Video is a record, and it actually happened. So anyway, I'm just gonna tell you guys hore I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm expecting a package, so I'll do that with you guys. And yeah, today I just had a bad day in J. I woke up late. Like I woke up 35 minutes late, you understand? So I had to do everything in a rush. I have a headache, I have toothache, I have a gum ache. Is it also called gum ache? Like my gums are also painful, so I'm not really having a good day, plus the flu. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I'll have a better day. Then I'll talk to you guys. And yeah, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. While you're at it, let's try that thing, yeah, road to 200 subscribers, and see how it goes. But anywho, let's do it. Look who is here after you. Hey, I am. Why would you have to shift lao? Say kira new driver. Nico. Mara say to pele ke matata. Hi Batsubaka. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, welcome back. I don't think there's a need for me to say Kivane because I did it yesterday. Okay, today is a Thursday, guys. Get Thursday again. Yeah, tomorrow it's a Friday. Get Friday tomorrow. And it's the 14th of February tomorrow. Where's your boyfriend? Because I can wait. Guys, today I woke up on time, not like yesterday. Yesterday I didn't wake up on time, I woke up late. I think, guys, yesterday when I was busy yapping, talking too much, my phone wasn't recording. So yeah, there was a point where I said I woke up late. I don't know if it, yeah, I woke up late, like, yeah, like what, 35 minutes late, and I wasn't feeling well. Today I feel better. Not even better, I feel fine. It's just flu. It's just flu. Yesterday it wasn't flu. I don't know what was going on with me yesterday, but something was happening. I had flu, toothache, and everything in between. But now today's just flu, nothing else. I don't have headache. I woke up early, and yeah. Oh, okay guys, I got my package. I got my package. Like I said yesterday, I'm expecting a package. One thing about Woolworths, guys, They won't delay. Never. When I shopping way in Tiliga, if you have me on WhatsApp, you'll know how to work a shop or anything. Yeah, but those things that I'm gonna go back and buy from them, then they will deliver after 14 days. Go shopping anywho, guys, like the weather is bad. Like it's been raining this whole week. Is it the whole week? Yeah. If it doesn't rain like late, it rains like early in the morning. So I'm worried, ka. Sorry, excuse me. I'm worried about weather weekend because it looks like it's gonna be raining on Sunday, and yeah, Sunday is my son's birthday, guys. He's turning 4. Ke food season Hey, ke mma go ngwana 4 years luna. Nna. So yeah, I bought him something to wear on Sunday. Mara weather because it's short pants and short sleeve shirt. Do you look like the PJ young? I didn't buy PJs, but they look like PJs, hey? It's a 2-piece, it's not PJs. And also, wait, this is too long. Guys, this is too long. You guys have big legs. Long legs, even not big legs. So cute. And it is strong, I thought. Yeah. And I also bought my friend slippers because it was her birthday on the 4th of Feb and I didn't buy her anything. I haven't even seen her since then, but she's gonna come join us Sunday. Yeah, she's gonna come join us. So I thought, let me buy her a gift for her birthday. So I bought her slippers. Yeah, I don't know if it's a good gift to give, but yeah, man, kadirata, so why not? It's not mine. Yeah, so hopefully diamolegana, and she also loves them. Also also bought something for my son as a birthday present, and it hasn't arrived. So if by Sunday it's not here, I'm gonna take this and put it in a paper bag. A paper bag, a gift bag. I'm gonna put it in a gift bag. Anyway, his birthday gift, cause yeah, if it doesn't arrive before Sunday, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so I need to get gift bags for this and this. So 2 gift bags. If it doesn't work out, I'll still, I'll see what's what. But let's hope for the gift comes before that day, like before Sunday. Today's Thursday, remember? Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy your Valentine's. Hope you guys bought your man something. You don't expect to be bought gifts if you don't buy gifts, guys. You buy, they buy for you. But the hands that gives also receives. I think so. That's what the saying says, right? I hope so. But yeah, guys, something, guys. Let's have a new not that. Let's have a go soon. Yeah, let's have a go soon. Watch, to buy watch or machino cut, like something, man, something that they're gonna use. I can go to buy lodi vereki samara. You can buy the gosu like today and just give your man the gosu today, not tomorrow. Like you can literally buy socks on Monday and give it to your man. No, don't do that. Don't do that, guys. Don't buy socks, money. Ish. But it's just that I don't have a man. Like, you almost katlala. And okay, no come regular something, but not no. But anywho, and them funny in daughter. I don't want daughter. And the funny in daughter. I mean, I'm funny in daughter. I mean, yo, I can't have a ring. Okay, the funny in daughter. I mean, and them funny next. Yeah. Anywho, guys, I was doing this for my package, so I'm done for today. I'm done for the day. See you tomorrow. Maybe. Yeah. So also I haven't done my work today. So I need to do it now, but it's raining. So I'll see what I do. But I need to do my steps like now. Not now, but yeah, I need to do it. And I hope for me I record. I hope I'm not talking alone again. I hope, cause this thing we must use back camera for better quality. I gotta go tomorrow, cause ifoni iyacisha guys, iyacisha masikhuluma yena angithandi cause kurepeata izinto zenu sikhuluma is not nice. Nah. Anyway, I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. I can promise that I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, but yeah, I'll see you when I see you. You were what?
What's making hot?
Yeah, for me, it's not yours. Is it yours? Let's keep a certain say brown yang hato and amara. No, let me see.
Mama, it's only
It's a
for
heart.
children.
Yeah?
It's only for children.
No, it's not for children. It's mine.
Mama.
Wait, never to okay. Kirki bule. You bonor cutting. Happy Valentine. But teacher said it's mine. Why do you wanna take it? She did. She called me and told me you have a surprise for me. But now you're eating the surprise.
Why?
It's mine.
Teacher was told me it's me.
Hi guys. So today is a Saturday, the 15th of February, and my baby's cake is here. Yes. Ooh. Thank you so. Yo, let me hold it with 2 hands. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it is 16th of February and it's my son's 4th birthday. And like I said, guys, okay, camera, actually, let me just put it so yeah. Like I said, guys, my son's gift is not here as yet. So I was planning her up at these clothes which I bought during the week, and weather is not giving. It's not cold but because I know him, he's gonna say he's getting cold. He feels cold, so I need to find another outfit for him. And you know what, guys, if I plan an outfit then weather doesn't work, I can promise Like, I just hated planner. A whole outfit, then I don't wear it. Because that outfit has been in my mind the whole day. So guys, I had this in my wardrobe, so I didn't buy a new paper bag. So I'm just gonna put the clothes in here. Okay, just wait. Then I'm gonna put this in here. Is here, and yeah, I'm gonna give this to him. I'm actually gonna put it next to him while he's sleeping, just before I wake him up, because we need to prepare for church. So I'm gonna wake him up maybe at 8. Yeah. Oh, I'll bath first, then wake him up. I don't know, I'll see. But 8 is too early. It's too early because church starts at 10. And it's just here. It's like 5 minutes away. So, I don't know. I'll show you guys his cake just now. Or just before I sing for him. And I don't have candles. I was supposed to go yesterday to buy candles, but I didn't go because it was raining. It was raining and I was also lazy, but now look at me. But I'll buy them today after church and also sing for him again, because it's not like now after singing for him I'm gonna cut the cake. So I'm just gonna after church go to the shops and buy him candles. Yeah, buy him candles. Then when we get back home, I'll sing for him and blow the candles. Then we can eat the cake. Yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later. Or when I wake him up, I'll take a video when waking him up. Yeah, I think I'm done for now. It's exactly 8 a.m. and I don't know if I should wake him up or it's still early. The thing is, I don't want him to wake up. I want to wake him up. So what if I wait longer and he wakes up? It's tricky. Let me give him 10 minutes and see if he doesn't wake up. Then if he doesn't wake up, then I'll wake him up at 10 past. At least I gave him like 10 minutes more luck.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hato. Happy birthday to you. Yip, yip. Do you love the cake? Ooh, Hato. How old is Pata turning?
4.
Well done. Oh, content.
Mama.
This is my outfit for the day, ne? Marake bora kore. This is like cream white. It's like off-white, yeah. And this is like pure white. So they don't. Kado tlapile meno. Tlapa meno, please. Then, yeah, I don't know if I should just go like this. Or kanjani. So pumelela kanjani. Should I not? I really don't know. Ooh, my thing. Hey, you see now. Kwatiki. My bodysuit shows on my pants, guys. Should I go like this or kwatsakhalang? Bona ntleng. Kilo bana apere so it's a white, ka painted white. That's what's happening, guys. I hope let me do this so that you guys can see. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Actually, woo! I'm thinking of wearing stuffy. Kanje. Because already skipper is on this step. I don't like the fact that this is white, this is cream white. What waist? Where's the waist? Look for the waist. Let me see what time is it. I still have no, I don't have time because I actually wanted to do my makeup. But obviously it's me. Makeup I got 1 hour because I just guys, I wanna let me see. On Tuesday get trailer home. What you call? It's not waxing. I forgot. I tried to like shape my eyebrows. I hope you guys can see. Like, I wanna this kanya. I wanna try this out and see how. You see? Yeah, this is better. This is way better than the. Come.
This is only for dinosaurs.
That's for dinosaurs?
Yes, don't touch.
Why not?
Because the dinosaur roar, say roar.
What's this?
Dinosaur.
Yes. It's a dinosaur.
Mama, regular dinosaur toy.
Oh, okay.
Mama, look at itself. Glasses.
Okay, when you broke all the glasses. Okay, show the camera your outfit. It's a so bona. No camera, amen. Yay! It's Katu's birthday. Emma.
Okay.
Yay! Ah, yay! Woo!
Mama, get loose.
Okay, guys, I'm done. It can only one time fail this. I'm not gonna wear them. I get a given kiss for Marabana. Okay, I'm gonna take pictures with this glasses. Mara, obviously, I get this for and I'm taking this bag. This is how I'm going to church. I don't know if Kishabuna. I hope I don't get cold. a blazer give. Mara colors kana. I can guess just 2 colors mara. And this show guess but it's giving, hey? It's actually problem is that this is not white. It's cream white, so it's offish somehow. But I'm going with it, hey? Get on the Hona le bothata, come to me. Hona le bothata, o tla go nna ne sweetie. Yeah. So e rekile bonimpi. Ke maswere. Guys, ntse ke sa rwale my spectacles for like 2 or 3 weeks because I've been in the house. So on Friday I went to Burger King ke sa rwala di braille ke di lebetse. Ke gopola ge tshwantse ke lebelle mo screening se le sa bona sa menu hore I can see ke sana. I look so weird. Maki apare blazer e lona. Ke tlogele ne. Ako khatsela mar ge le shebile ako khatsela nka re le ka nkaraba wait. Cause wow. Ke tsama so. Cause ka fele di braille kore a kitse nka re ke nna mang. I just don't like the braille, guys.
Hello.
On live and bye, guys. See you.
To promise you land, but actually the promise of you possessing an inheritance was made to you by the eternal God of the universe, who breathed life into humanity.
Plenty so far with this. Just to make your money. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to learn. What's it go? You want to? All the money. The gas, ride the boat. Die for nothing. What's it go? You want to? All the money. The gas, ride the boat. I know different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night, 4 shows, I'm juggling, flow like the ocean. Port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose, drills. When it comes to money, I get concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not like this. If you become, you should not be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You want to? All the men, the gas, ride the boat. I know people die for nothing. What's it go? You want to? All the men.
Why you so dramatic?
Ride the boat. I know people.
Nato. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Okay.
Hooray! Blow your candle now. Make a wish. Woo! What did you wish for? Money, ne? Good. Lots of it again. Yeah. Good.